The second part of percent problem solving is simple interest at the bottom of your page. Remember, that involves several different letters that stand for different things in our formula. So I stands for the interest, which is money, the amount of money that we earn in interest or have to pay in interest. P stands for the principal, which is also money. Could be money that we've loaned or borrowed, or money that we put into an account. R stands for our rate, and remember, we are looking for a percent, but we will have to change it into a decimal, so make a note of that. Change to decimal. T stands for time, and we'll talk about that in just a sec, but time can be given to us in months or years, but we always have to change it into years before we use it in our formula. So let's fill in the rest of these blanks real quick. So we have, be sure to change the rate to a decimal, just like I said in the first box, and convert any number of months to years. Read carefully for what the question asks. So sometimes they might want you to solve for I, P, R, or T, or maybe even work backwards. So the example that I want to give to you, I'm going to put it right up here. We're going to pretend that we have earned $9 in interest. We have $100 for our principal. Our rate is going to be 5%. And this time, our years is going to be missing. So that's where using the formula and figuring out what you need to solve for is going to be important. So let's see if we can use our formula to help us with this. So we know our formula is I equals P times R times T. So our interest is given to us. I'm going to put 9 there. Principal is given to us, 100. Our rate is given to us, but remember 5% is the same as 0.05, so times 0.05, and our time is missing, so we don't know what that time is, times t. So we're going to work backwards. I'm going to go ahead and multiply these two together. So 100 times 0.05 is 5. So 5t, meaning 5 times t, is equal to 9. So now let's draw that line. Remember, inverse operations. I'm going to divide both sides by 5. So 9 divided by 5 is 1.8. So it would take 1.8 years in order to earn that amount of interest.